Hello, please welcome to my first video and meet our 1974 Cessna 182P. Last year we had to change the engine and we thought it was time also to have the aircraft repainted. The painting was old, it was the original one, and you can see there were a lot of marks and places where the painting was gone, and in order to maintain the aircraft in a proper flying condition, it has to be repainted. You can see there were places where the painting was gone, other ones where the painting was in really bad condition. The red was not the same one on every part of the airplane, and it was time to have it repainted actually. So this small video is the last one I made with where you can see the original painting, and here is how the airplane looks like after 1 month of work in Grenchen, where it was brought. The airplane looks like new. So you can see the marvelous job that was made over there, and I want to welcome you on board and be part of the first flights I made with this new painting and flying back to Lausanne. Please welcome aboard and have a good flight.
Hotel Bravo Charlie Echo Charlie Cessna 182 VFR flight to Lausanne. We are at the parking maintenance behind the tower. Request taxi with information Lima.
Hotel Echo Charlie, taxi all in point Delta, runway 24, QNH 1024.
QNH 1024, runway 24 and taxiing to holding point Delta, Hotel Echo Charlie.
It was a beautiful day at the end of the month of January 2020, and relax, sit back and enjoy the flight.
Hotel Bravo Charlie Echo Charlie holding point Delta, runway 24 ready for departure, outbound road with whiskey.
Hotel Echo Charlie, leave CTR road whiskey, wind 220 degrees 5 knots, runway 24, clear to take.
Clear takeoff and exit via whiskey, Hotel Echo Charlie. Grand Tower, Hotel Bravo.
After a few minutes of flights, we reached the city of Biel, which you can see here. we flew southbound along the Jura over the lake of Biel and the lake of Neuchâtel to reach Yverdon and afterwards Lausanne. It was time to prepare to land, and we are now in the long final for runway 18 in Lausanne. You can see the Geneva Lake in the back and the beautiful French Alps. We were welcomed in Lausanne by this beautiful Messerschmitt Typhoon, which was waiting for us there. What a great surprise! Enjoy! If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.